DFW
Hi,
Arlington
friends.
prices
Thanks for
drop,
stopping in.
options
And
expand
keep an eye out
fast.
for more insights, trends, and market updates that are shaping our real estate market. Whether you're looking to buy it, sell it, lease it, or simply want to know more about your neighborhood, we're here to help. My name is Kim Walker. I'm a Texas realtor and solution strategist. I'm with the Walker Land Group at JPAR, and I look forward to getting your questions answered.